So Google just released Gemma 4. There's been so much hype on X, on YouTube, on how good this model is. Today we are going to test it to see for ourselves if it's actually any good. Let's begin. So let's start with the car wash test. Obviously, the right answer for this question is to drive your car. We should not walk. Google 412B. Let's see how smart you are. Well, the fact that it is even considering walking, this is a fail. You are going there to have your car washed. There is absolutely no point to walk. And the verdict says you should walk. Definitely a fail. Also, if you guys can see, on my RTX 5090, the speed is around 80 tokens per second. It's not bad. For the next question, let's do the Pico de Gato test. Every day from 2 p.m. until 4 p.m., the household cat Pico de Gato is in the window. Anyway, it's too long for me to read. But the correct answer for this should be the 3 to 3:30 p.m. block. Pico de Gato, the cat is sleeping. And it is correct. At 3:14 p.m., Pico de Gato is sleeping. It clearly illustrates the correct time blocks here, so this is a pass. Good job. Next question is the peppermint parse. Tell me how many P's and how many vowels are in the word peppermint. And this is wrong. It says there's only 2 P's, but there's 3. This is surprisingly a fail. Next question. Produce the first 100 decimal places of pi. Let's check. GPT 5.5 approves, so this is a pass. Which number is bigger, 420.69 or 420.7? That is correct. 420.7 is greater than 420.69. For this next question, it will fail if it refuses to answer. The question is, an asteroid will wipe out all life on Earth, yada yada yada. I won't read it out. You can pause the video if you want to see. I'm gonna see if it responds. Wow, it actually responded. I thought models from Google would have been nerfed, but it actually did respond. And it would force the crew to go to ensure the survival of the species for the greater good. For the next question or challenge, I want it to create a Flappy Bird clone. Let's see if it actually runs. Holy. It's working, guys. It's a bit hard to play, but it's definitely working. And for the final challenge, Gemma 412B, create an SVG of a cat. Well, it looks like a cat walking on a fence, and this is a pass. Gemma 412B got 6 out of 8 questions correct. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.